Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So today I'm going to be sharing with you a very easy recipe of a spaghetti pasta which I'll be making in a marinara sauce. Now this is a very easy and quick recipe. So if you like the recipe, do let me know in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start cooking. So I've got 250 grams of spaghetti pasta here and I'm going to boil this pasta in some water. So I've got some water boiling here to which I'll be adding in some salt. Just 1 teaspoon of salt is enough to season the pasta nicely, and a tablespoon of olive oil so that the pasta doesn't stick. Time to add in the pasta. So after adding the pasta, we'll just let it sit for around 1 minute. So my pasta has been sitting in the water for around 1 minute now. And now with the help of a tongue, I'll just twist it to let the pasta dip inside the water. And this will take around 7 to 8 minutes. So after 8 minutes, you can see my pasta is cooked nicely. So now I'll just strain this pasta. So I've strained my pasta and I'm again adding some oil to it so that it doesn't stick. And now it's time to make the sauce. So it's a very easy sauce to make. So first in a pan I'll be adding in some olive oil. You can even use normal oil for this. So my oil is nice and hot. To this I'll be adding in some chopped garlic. So garlic is gonna flavor the sauce and I'll just saute it for around 1 minute. And we don't have to brown the garlic, just saute it nicely. So after garlic I'll be adding in some chopped onions. And these are finely chopped onions. Just mix it nicely and we'll again cook it for another 1 minute. Again, we don't have to brown these onions, we just have to make them transparent. So my onions have cooked nicely. Time to add in some tomato puree. This is homemade tomato puree which is made out of 5 tomatoes. And I'll mix it with the sauce. So we have to cook this tomato for around 10 to 15 minutes. I am also going to be adding some salt. You can add salt according to your taste. Some black pepper, about half a teaspoon. And now we'll cook this sauce nicely. So we'll cook this sauce for around 15 minutes. And I'm also adding in some chopped basil. Now basil is going to enhance the flavor. And I'm also adding some water, and this is pasta water in which I boiled my pasta. Just mix it with the sauce. And now I'll just cover this and cook it for around 10 minutes more. So after 10 minutes, you can see my sauce is nicely cooked. It has started to thicken up. So you don't have to blend this sauce. So at this stage, I'll be adding in some mixed herbs. You can use oregano, thyme, anything. You can even use fresh herbs. Some chili flakes goes in. You can add chili flakes according to your taste. Just mix it well with the sauce. So guys, I am showing you a really basic recipe of a spaghetti marinara, but you can add in any vegetables, a boiled or grilled chicken or lamb, anything. But this pasta can be enjoyed like this, but it's your preference what you want to add on. So now it's time to add in our pasta. Now you need to remember one thing, do not mix this pasta with a ladle or a spatula, use a tongue to mix it. Otherwise you might break the pasta. Just toss it nicely. Pasta should coat the sauce completely. So as you can see, my pasta has coated the sauce very nicely. At this stage you need to add some parmesan cheese, but I don't have parmesan cheese, so you can even add mozzarella or processed cheese. About 2 tablespoons, and toss it up nicely. And our pasta is ready now.